I can't even get over how happy I am that I finally reached my goal. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. So, in this video, I have my homemade boombox right here, and I'm just gonna connect random stuff to it. Like here, I have an LED light here. It's rated for 12 volts, meant for like a replacement car headlight. So, I want to see what happens if I connect one channel of the amplifier to this little LED right here. And yeah, I'll just play songs on it and frequencies, so yeah. So I'm gonna play Woofer Cooker on the LED. So let's hit play and see what happens. Ooh. It's on. Oh, I see it flickering. Oh my gosh. Photolipsy warning. People that are sensitive to light. It's flickering. But yeah. Distortion away. Alright. And then once again the woofer's off. It's just a tweeter, so yeah. Look at that. Once again, photolipsy warning. It's gonna be a lot of flashing lights. Nice. Oh, that looked cool. Alright, let's try a low frequency tone now. Alright, so I'm now on the function generator. I'm going to start at 5 Hz. So, let's see what that looks like. Whoa. On off really fast. Alright, let's increase the frequency. Oh, distortion. Lower the volume of it, there we go. Alright, let's make it lower. What if I do 1 Hz? 1 Hz. Alright, 1 Hz, volume up. That looks cool. Alright, let's increase it now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, and 20 Hz. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 Hz, right? Once again, distortion. Just lower the volume a bit. There we go. Alright, go even higher. 60 Hz. That'll match the camera's frame rate. So, get a close up on that. Like how the shutter is like, move the camera, it shows the bar, like when the light's off. Kind of interesting. Alright, let's go higher. Ooh. See, sensitive here. Alright, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200 Hz, 300, 400, 500, 6, 79. Well, that's loud. Volume down a bit. Alright, well, let's go ahead and hook up another LED to it. I'll be back. Alright, so this LED is more of a low power LED light, so I'm going to start off at a low volume. So only a quarter because I don't want to burn this light, so do a woofer cooker again, so let's see how that looks like. Hit play and then we'll see what it does. Oh, it's the ultraviolet one. Nice. Can't see much though. Alright, this should be good. Slightly more than half, so yeah. Let's try a green one. Turn it down so I don't burn it. Where's that green? There we go. Alright. Green LED right there. Let's hook it up. Don't touch both of them, I just shock myself. But yeah, the green LED light now. Oh, I just touched it. Alright, well anyways. There we go. At least I didn't get shocked, but yeah, it was kinda stupid. Anyways. Right, green LED. Huh. It's actually taking more power than I thought. Alright, it won't go higher than this because it looks like it'll be too bright. There we go. Nice. And yeah, once again, photolipsy warning. Probably should have said that earlier, but yeah. At least I said it before. Oh, it's about to short the amp. Let's be careful not to do that. Save the ground. Music flashing spotlight, kinda. A green. Cool. Alright. Let's try this woofer. I mean, we already know what that will look like, but I just want to do a bass test, I guess, so let's do it. Alright, I've got my bright flash set up here now, so let's go ahead and play Woofer Cooker. It's Woofer, so it is actually Woofer because it's from Amazon Echo. My uncle gave me a few years ago. It's like it was broken, I think, so yeah. Increase the volume until it starts to do that scratch thing or bottom out. So yeah. Probably got here. Good excursion. That looks cool to me. Do the approximately 100 hertz part. Okay. Well, this thing looks pretty cool. Alright, it's the inside here. There we go. See it in there. Nice. Alright, now for those of you who want to see me bass test on the actual woofer, let's do it. I'll do a bonus as well. I'll do both woofers at the same time. Let's go. Nice. That's kind of loud though. It's okay. I think. Yeah, just a woofer. let's try something different now. Alright, Anya only time. Let's play that on the Woofer now, so yeah. See that flashlight. There we go. If I can. To balance on here. There we go. Alright. Just a Woofer. Limit. So, yeah. Well, that's about it for today's video, so if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And let's see here, the Woofer is a little warm, like last time I played that song, so yeah. Alright guys, bye.